had to do it. Unsubscribe to the Arctic. Unsubscribe. It is like literally still snowing. This is bananas. Good God, man. I ain't 5'5". That's too much. Gracious. Whew. Jesus, man. I should go get a ruler and put it in there, see how deep it is. But I get the gist. Yeah, unsubscribe. I am unsubscribing to the Arctic. They started sending emails that we don't need, we can't handle. Whew. It's so cold out here. I remember watching them documentaries talking about you gotta really have the rain coming down forcefully for it to look like it's raining. I guess snow not so much as long as it's got a hell of a light behind it or something. I guess. I don't know. Cause you can damn sure see the snow. Whew. It's that foliage right here. Listen to that. You can put that some bitch on a loop right there. Put something real sassy on it. Well, what's that light reflecting off of? The light? Alright, I'm black. I can't be out here no longer. People be laughing at me if I get sick.